Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by establishing reliable power. First, attach a regulated 5V supply to the red rail and ground to the blue or black rail. This gives a stable reference for all components. Once done, make sure the polarity is correct and that the supply is off while you insert parts. You want firm, straight leads in the rail holes so nothing wiggles. If your breadboard has separate halves, connect the rail jumpers to unify plus V and GND across the board before continuing. Next, position your components and plan jumpers. Place ICs straddling the center channel so each pin sits on its own row. That prevents accidental shorts. Then run short, direct jumper wires to connect nodes. Use red for plus V and black for ground to keep things clear. Insert resistors and LEDs between the intended row pairs and orient diodes and electrolytic capacitors with correct polarity. Once you see expected node groupings, double-check each connection with a continuity tester or multimeter before powering up. Finally, wire your logic gates. Connect each gate input to its signal source and route outputs to the target rows or LEDs with current-limiting resistors. Make sure unused inputs have pull-up or pull-down resistors so they do not float and cause unpredictable behavior. Once wired, power up briefly while monitoring supply voltages and check outputs with a logic probe or multimeter. If a gate misbehaves, remove power and recheck wiring order, pin orientation, and resistor values. Those are the most common faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.